Frequently asked question. Why your product is expensive? Most of the surgeon thinks manufacturing of dental implant counts only material and machining cost, but it is a misconception, at least in our case. It is medical device that are going to implanted in human body, not a hardware screw. It takes far more human efforts, high skills and regular investments to make a medical implant. Here we are sharing few of points regarding cost. Research and development. We are R&D driven people. We already have 5 patents in the field of middle ear prosthesis, orthopaedic implants, antibiotic eluting orthopaedic implants, and all products are doing well in the market. We invest 30% of our budget in R&D. This includes trial and error methods like work with the surgeons to make new design and prototype that can be improve clinical outcome, mechanical testing, biological testing and testing on bone models. If prototype doesn't have promising results, then all the human hours, skill, material cost, machining cost, tool cost gone wasted, but trial and error should be continued. Manufacturing. We manufacture all implants on sliding head CNC machine which cost 2 crore. Cutting tools may wear out in the process of manufacturing and precision of implant dimension would be affected. So dimensional calibration of every tool is done daily basis. If not proper, we change the cutting tool. These cutting tools are also costly. Apart from that, machine software calibration and moving part calibration is done at monthly basis. The purpose to provide you next product. Clean rooms. We have 3 class 10,000 clean room and 1 class 100 area. Each clean room has separate air handling unit with 2 pre-filters of 5 micron and 0.3 micron HEPA filters. Clean room validation is done quarterly, includes HEPA filter integrity test, air velocity test, differential pressure test, particle count and environment monitoring test by microbiological method. We follow GMP standards. The aim is to provide bioburden and foreign particle-free sterile product. Quality check. No human interface or error in QC, and it is done by computerized coordinate measuring machine that's cost is 1.5 crore. It is to measure profile, geometry and dimensional of final product. Quality assurance. We follow ASTM and ISO testing standards for batch release. There are in total 22 mechanical, biological and chemical tests. By doing this, we can assure the quality of product. Standard operating procedure. Standard operating procedure indicates how to perform some task correctly. So human can perform a task correctly without any confusion or human error. We follow more than 100 standard operating procedures. Documentation. As per Good Manufacturing Practice Guideline, there are 74 files in that we record our all activities. It is required for traceability. Clinical follow-ups. Clinical follow-up is required to prove safety and efficiency of product. We have adopted best skilled practices in industry and consistently improving ourselves. If you are looking for best clinical results, then our product is definitely for you. Please see other videos of Good Manufacturing Documents list, Standard Operating Process list and Product Testing list.